Hi and hello, good morning everybody. On 20th of September 2025, we are at Taman Tugu, that is near the National Monument in Kuala Lumpur. And this is my first time I went to Taman Tugu and I didn't expect much. When the moment I stepped onto the trail, I felt like I had been transported to a rainforest. The tall trees stretched above me and the air was cooler and fresher than I imagined. The sound of the city faded behind me, replacing by the bird creeping, leaf rustling and the occasional monkey sweeping in the tree. It was hard to believe I was still in KL. Taman Tugu isn't flashy. There's no entrance fee, no theme park attraction, but maybe that's what makes it special. It's simple, quiet and green. Exactly what we need sometimes. Guess what? Unexpectedly and accidentally, Taman Tugu is Celebrate Malaysia. We arrived around 9 AM and the atmosphere was already buzzing. The Malaysian flag was everywhere, hanging between trees, printed on shirts, even paint on kids' faces. What a surprise! There was also a Rasa Malaysia food corner. Everything is free here. And I couldn't resist. They have nasi lemak, ayam kicap, apam bale, rojak, cendol, ice cream, satay. All was Malaysian favorite food. And guess what? All is free on this morning. And there are few activities are going on. Live poetry writing, printing and posting your own postcard, and playing timeless traditional games like Tongka and Sepak Bulu Ayam, Borneo Beat Workshop, Karung board games, Batu Seremban, and then win some small prize from Q&A section. And Vian was so excited to get his face painted with the design that he chose by himself. Stamp Co by Post Malaysia catch my interest to get the most limited edition stamp. They are giving and giving and giving. In the end, we get some biscuit and free ice creams. Vibrant rhythm of Dikir Darat and the grateful melody of Gujen as the day unfolds, the stage came alive with captivating culture showcase from Zapin and Sape, with the memorizing Mak Mary traditional dance from Pulau Keri, and the energetic colors of Malaysia performing future kompang, dole, umbi melam, Chinese drums and the iconic lion dance. This is sound of the combination of all the Malaysian traditional music instruments. The performance was truly captivating, bringing us closer to the beauty and the diversity of Malaysia's rich culture tapestry. This is the first time I listened all the instruments played together and feel the unity as a Malaysian. The celebration ended with a joyful joget lambat together with the crowd, and it is the perfect finale to unforgettable day. Thanks for watching and see you again.